Greetings, stargazers! Today we're reaching for the stars with mind-bending space facts that are sure to amaze you. First off, did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year? In a fascinating twist, it takes about 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis. Next, here's a cosmic mystery. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's a staggering number. Next, neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized amount would weigh about 6 billion tons, far outweighing anything we know on Earth. And get this, the Voyager 1 spacecraft has traveled further than any other man-made object and is currently in interstellar space, exploring the unknown. Lastly, our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. Don't worry though, it won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. Space is full of wonders and mysteries, reminding us just how much we have to explore and learn about the universe.